Hello and welcome everyone, my name is Peter and in this video I will be showing you how to change fuel filter in your Audi TT Mark II. So without further ado, let's get started. And the first thing you will need to do is to disconnect the negative terminal of our battery, since safety is very important, and since we are working with fuel, we will have to disconnect the battery. After that, you will need to locate the fuel filter, which can be reached from underneath the car. It is somewhere behind the passenger seat. For this job, we will use only simple flathead and Phillips screwdrivers and some shop rags or paper towels, as there will be some fuel leaking. Oh, and the first thing we will need to do is unscrew this Phillips screw, which holds the filter in place. As you can see on the front side of the filter, the side facing front side of the car, there will be one fuel line, and on the back side there will be two of them. And don't try to open up this plastic piece like I did, because we will need to slide the filter out of here. And what we need to do is push two security pins on the line connectors. Just squeeze them with your fingers and then pull the line away from the filter. And you will see there will be a fuel leaking, so make sure that it doesn't drop onto your face or into your eyes. Like I said, safety is very important, so be careful. What I found really helpful is to take the new filter, and it comes with plastic covers on those connectors. So you just take those plastic covers and put them on your old filter, so you kind of save yourself from spilling too much. It is obvious I didn't have the idea to get the plastic covers right away, which is unfortunate, since it would save me a lot of trouble with leaking fuel. So in other words, don't do it like I did in this video. Make sure to have your plastic caps ready to install them as soon as you disconnect the fuel lines from the old filter. And finally, after panicking for like 10 minutes because there's so much fuel leaking, I got to the idea to get the caps from the new filter and put them on the old one. And it would save me a lot of troubles and a lot of time if I did it right away. After that, it was just really easy to just wiggle the old filter out towards the back of the car, out of the bracket and out of the car. Of course, installing the new filter is basically the reverse order of what we just did. So now just put the new filter back in. Make sure to properly connect the fuel lines back to the filter and make sure to note which line goes to which connector. It is always a nice thing to make a photo before you disconnect anything, just in case it takes you a lot of time to get the job done. You have a photo just to be sure that you connected everything to the right connector. And as you can see, in my case, the blue connector goes into the center connector. There is a pin as you can see, there is a pin which snaps into the bracket and it kind of holds the filter in place before you even screw the bracket back in. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it did, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or if you have any advices you would like to share with us, please do in the comments down below. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.